Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're dragging urbex here once again on an explore. Today we're exploring this abandoned, what's left of a farmhouse with farm. I think it was a dairy farm. So yeah, we're in. It's like an old pantry.
There's not much really in the house. There is bits.
Look.
Outside is more interesting than in here.
Ooh. Not sure about this building, mind, but yeah, it's falling apart.
It's just been vandalised and smashed.
I suppose it was a toilet, didn't it?
Yeah.
Front door. Ooh, the kitty. Back in there. Got a fireplace. Funny place to keep a pair of shears. As you can see, all the ceiling's gone now. Let's have a look and see what else we can see. Right, upstairs. Funky red carpet. Ooh, it's got a bath. Well, a toilet intact. Bloody hell. Right, okay. God, look at the state of those. Place, well, nothing left of the sink. Cupboard maybe. Interest half of this stuff. Yeah, there's not much left of this house, is there? Little sheds and whatever we can go and have a look at. Yeah, still smashed up. Even in that cupboard. Well, technically, you don't even have to walk down that hallway. Ooh, floor didn't feel safe there. And that's the other bedroom. Not really much left of that either. No lights in the ceiling. Ooh. Floor is creaking, it's going, that is. Right, okay. Anything in here? Not really. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 bedroom. Not really much in here. Oh! It's been vandalised in here. Toy. Looks like someone was in here using it as a squat, maybe. Or is it anything? Nah, they're not opening. Old set of drawers. Out there's the oil tank. So basically, the heating was oil. Right, okay, let's go down here. Have a look at the other buildings, see what else we can find. Yeah, that's it for this, I think. We covered it. Right, let's see if we can go in anywhere else. Outside shed. Oh, it's going to start raining. Oh, I wonder what they kept. I reckon they kept chickens in here. Do you reckon? I would have thought they would have. Yeah, looks like that. Chickens. Yeah, let's go back out. Oh God, it's starting to rain. Well, that was the shed anyway. One of them. God, check it out. All the land. Old greenhouse. Right. Minging.
You do all this shit every day, don't you?
Oh, it's horrible.
Ready to come in?
Oh, that's where we are in the house. Ah, right, okay. This was, I take it, the front door. Okay.
Some old thing with wheels on it.
Another part of the house. Oh, check
Water
that.
my lens, 2 seconds, guys.
Old cooker. Ah, get it.
Right, guys.
It's about it. I think we're using this for cooking. What else is in there? I've got no clue what they were using this for. An old set of drawers. No, maybe a storeroom.
Someone's definitely took a dumping, yeah.
Some old shoes. That's about it. Right, let's see what else we can find then. Ah, there's an electric box up there. Okay. Oh, it's picking up, guys. I think that storm's heading in. Came from the house. See what else we can find you. Looks like a working shed. It's totally fallen in, isn't it? Yeah, you got a pit there, so yeah, obviously they bring their tractors or whatever machinery they work on. You get even vehicles or cars. Yeah, it would have been a wicked garage in its time. It's all fallen down. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I think this used to be a compound or something there. Which left there? Oh, I forgot to say as well, also exploring today is complex urbex and Lakita.
I think this is where the cows used to
Just left it where the building. I wonder what used to be there though. All the pipes, see the pipes sticking up? They used to be, maybe it used to be pumps or something here, maybe, I don't know. So, they got the, oh no it's not. I think it used to be like a frame going all the way over, like a dome frame metal. Ah, I see. They should, where they keep the cows or maybe, don't know. Because it goes all this weird though, goes all the way up there. Not quite sure. If anybody knows, leave a comment down the bottom. Ugh. Shitty floor. It's a shame really, because there's a lot of nice land on here. come to another shed, which is not really much in it, near enough the same as the other one. Let's have a look. Oh, there's post on there. Maybe it was like this over there, maybe. Yeah? And they've taken it down now, because there's posts that have been cut there as well. God, there's a lot of muck here. So yeah, that's another shed. Nothing up there.
And look down there.
Where? What is it? Sewage. There's all the drains and whatever. See it down there? So this used to be a dairy then, because it's got dairy on there. Dairy farm.
I don't actually know.
I suppose, is this where they used to bring them in to milk them?
Yeah, this is what I was thinking.
Because there's a lot of things on there as well.
Next door. The milk, the machine.
Oh, is it? So this
Yeah.
could have been using it, or maybe making cheese or so, or whatever they did do, yeah.
Or the milks, yeah.
Because not much left, but a lot of piping down there.
Come in here, some bits here.
Yeah, you can see the weeds growing in and whatever.
Yeah, we've got old glass fibre thing there. Pots. You know.
So
Basic
poppies.
farm stuff. The old electric box looks like people have took all the stuff.
There you go.
Old beer bottles, medicine bottles.
What are they?
For injection on the animals, the stuff's still in there.
Oh, is it? Yeah, don't touch it. Yeah, there's the injecting box there.
Oh yeah, for the animals, there we go. I haven't seen that. There you go, I think that's a
Yeah, it's
fridge
for
of some
sharps.
sort. Yeah, oh, I don't know how big machine is there. We're coming into, yeah, see, there's the milkers. There's the milkers. Those are my tits,
Sure,
the
yeah.
cow, the milker.
You can smell it's a farm as well.
Look, tip milkers.
Oh yeah, they put them on the cow's udders, as they call them.
There you go, guys. It's not all bad, there is some interesting stuff, yeah. Not much. Yeah.
Pots and whatever, isn't it? Ah, this is where they probably kept cows. Buckets on the ceiling. A lot of hay. I suppose this is where they kept most of the animals probably in here.
Yeah.
I don't think they had many though.
There.
It's all the electrics of the place. Left of an old door. Yeah, it's lovely really out there. All that's all collapsed. Yeah. You never know what you'll find in empty as a bin bin. Stops and stuff up there. That's it, I think. Right guys, this is it for this place. Hope you liked it. Like to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, not bad. Shame it's gone to the way it is. Yes, okay, cheers. Everybody take care now, and we'll see you on the next video. It's goodbye for now.